I got with even, oh my gosh. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, this channel is dedicated to mainly hair, occasional vlogs and makeup. And if that's your thing, join the family and hit the subscribe button. And if you're returning, a warm welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Today I have a special guest who's just watching me in the background. Come say hi, Fetty. This is my niece, Fetty, and I'm using her room to film today. So yeah, all right. Let's get right into it. So I have freshly washed hair. I just washed it with water and air dried, and I'm going to do a rope braid today. I had started with detangling a bit, kind of in a rush, but yeah, all right. I'm going to use this hair piece over here. This is bold of me, but all right, let's get right into it. A disclaimer, I've never done this before, so I also don't know how long it will take me to figure it out, but here goes something. Before I start with the braiding hair, sorry, I'm in a rush, so my mind is a mess. I'm going to first, as always, start by applying styling gel. I'm just applying the sides because that's where most of my hair will show. Oh guys, I have like literally an hour to finish this style, so God help me. I'm going out for dinner, so okay. And here I'm going to apply some styling gel and make sure I define this line here. Alright, so starting with the braiding, guys, when you say you work by faith and not by sight, I definitely don't know. Alright, so like I keep saying, I've never done this before. I tried watching some tutorials and I couldn't find the ones that were using braiding hair to do the rope braid. So hey, let's go.